chasing dreams beneath open skies. We didn't know where life would go, but I knew I'd never let you go. We built our world day by day, through the laughter and the pain. Every step, every tear only brought our hearts more near. Time may change the way we look, silver lines in every book, but one thing will stay true: my forever will be you. I wanna grow old with you, hold your hand when skies turn blue, through every season, every view. My heart belongs to you. When the years have come and gone, I'll still sing our favorite song. Even when our hair turns gray, I'll love you more each day. I just wanna grow with you. Photographs and memories written in our history. Every wrinkle tells the tale of a love that will not fail. We may walk a little slow, but together still